So, motion of charge in crossed electric and magnetic field. First, what is the meaning of crossed? The crossed means perpendicular. Electric field and magnetic field both are perpendicular to each other. So, this is magnetic field, uniform magnetic field. Okay, that means cross we are making here, that means direction of magnetic field inward. Okay, now in this, two plates which are connected with a source, these two plates, one is positive and other is negative. So direction of electric field, this. Okay, positive to negative. So this is the direction of electric field. Now an electron enter in this. So this is an electron and this enter into crossed magnetic field and electric field. So when they because both are acting perpendicular to each other, so electron when enter into magnetic field, it experiences a force. We can find out with the help of which rule? By the right hand palm rule or left hand rule. So according to right hand palm rule, direction of force acting on electron will be downward. So due to magnetic field, it should move like this. Okay, and due to electric field, because electron move opposite to the electric field, so direction of due to deflection by electric field, that will be this one. Okay, so ये deflection by electric field and this is the deflection by magnetic field. Okay, we can write here, this is deflection by magnetic field and this is deflection by electric field. Okay, now electrons, if electrons want to deflect, want to move without deflection, so what should be the condition? The force exerted by electric field must be equal to force exerted by magnetic field, because both are acting equivalent in opposite direction. So if they are equal, then velocity, then electron will move undeflected. So electron will pass undeflected. When electric and magnetic force are equal and magnetic force are equal, so we can say electric force E into E. One electron is there, so charge E, we know the formula F equal to QE. So according to this, E into E equal to E QVB, Lorentz force, so EVB. Okay, so from this, V equal to E upon B. This is the condition for velocity selector. Okay, or velocity filter. Velocity selector. So this is a this question arises in this, or this question frequently asked in paper, that what is the condition of velocity selector, or when the charge particle goes undeflected in crossed electric field and magnetic field. So condition will be V equal to E upon